much are your hats, sir?
$1, please.
I'm sorry?
$1.
How about your jackets over here? You get different prices on them?
I'll take 25 a piece.
25 a piece. And your Sony's down there.
$10 a piece.
$10 a piece. All right. I'm going to think on them. Appreciate it.
Yep.
Definitely go get these from you.
Okay.
So if you had told me when I walked up to this sale that the only thing that I would find would be these 4 hats for $1 a piece, I'd be perfectly fine with that. They're all vintage hats from the 90s, and 3 out of the 4 are sports specialties. If you don't know, that's a great brand to be on the lookout for. I mean, how cool is that? But this isn't the only thing that I found. I actually spent about 45 minutes of this sale, kept making lap after lap, and I swear every time I did, I found something else. So check it out. I found some pretty amazing stuff. Also, if you're new here, my name's Evan, and I go to garage sales looking for stuff that I can sell on eBay. And this sale was actually part of a 200-mile-long yard sale called Peaches to the Beaches. Happens down in Georgia every year. And you can see last week's video, see what else I found, but this garage sale was absolutely the best.
I'm gonna make a little pile right here if that's all right.
So full disclosure here, one of these camcorders didn't work, so I've got it listed for parts. The other one worked really well though, and it's already sold for $130 plus shipping.
Please be the one I hope you are. Yeah, buddy. Is it pair of Ray-Bans?
Quick note on these sunglasses just because I found it interesting, but this was actually a really good find and I didn't know it at the time. These are vintage Ray-Ban Balorama, I think that's how you pronounce it, sunglasses, and they're the same ones that Dirty Harry wore.
Well, you're a good man, Lieutenant. A good man always knows his limitations.
So they're pretty popular and they can bring in some really good money in good condition. Unfortunately, mine did have 2 chips in the lenses, but they still sold for 90 bucks. Not bad, but I only paid, well, you'll see how much I paid in just a second.
I'm interested to see if I can repair it. Here you go. Thank you.
What are you looking at? Right here.
Oh.
$30. Another one back there. Yeah. Yeah, I'll look it up there. I got it. Look at a pile.
Yeah.
Yeah, want that.
You want this?
Uh-huh.
It's not in great condition as far as the box is concerned.
As long as the figure's in good condition, we are.
You want to open it and check?
We can. I don't know how much you want, so I was just making a pile and see if we can give me a bundle deal. All right, I got a pile of stuff I'm interested in. Okay. Throw a number at me right here. You look through and tell me what's fair.
Yeah, so $1 on the hats.
Yep.
10 on the cameras.
Mm-hmm.
10, 20. 35
35? 20 fair. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give you 40 because that's too fair. You got stuck with it.
Alright.
And I'm gonna pull around if you don't mind.
Yeah.
You got to, because I got to.
That's what I was thinking. So I'll walk around and grab that and be right back.
So at this point, we were actually done. I was going to get the car, which was parked a little bit away. I was going to bring it around so we could load it up. And on the way out, I randomly decided to look in this random bin of clothing. I'm kind of glad I did.
Now that's cool. How much is that?
Well, they worth $5.
It sure would. It sure would. I ain't digging this box before. That's cool too.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna make another pile.
Yeah.
You can take all my money. Oh, see all the t-shirts right at the bottom. That's what I'm looking for.
I had a bunch of t-shirts. I had another guy that there's some more leather over there.
So you sold all my t-shirts, huh? You must not know I was coming.
He, my buddy loved bike week.
Oh yeah? He go to like Florida or Sturgis?
Yeah.
Or both of them?
No, he'd go to Florida.
Florida?
He'd go to in April to bike week, and then in October, we'd go to Biketoberfest.
Right.
That was all in Daytona.
It's wild down there.
Oh yeah.
You ever watch it's On Patrol Live now? It used to be Live PD.
Yeah.
They got a crew down there, and it was bike week last week, I think it was.
Yeah, yeah.
And they were showing stuff. Man, it's nuts. You couldn't pay me to fight all those crowds.
Oh, I went one time with him.
That was enough, right? I'm making a mess over here. I hope that's okay.
You fine.
I might get rid of some stuff for you.
I didn't have enough paper to take all this stuff out of these containers.
These things are a lot of work too, aren't they?
Yeah.
Setting up, putting down.
I got here at 1 o'clock this morning.
Did you really?
So that yellow truck over there was full from the front to the back.
Really?
And it took me 6 hours to get it all set over.
Wow, that's nuts. The windshield wiper in there.
Just one.
Don't do much good, does it? You want to want to total me up? I got an arm load. You can set them somewhere.
$15.
Perfect.
I'll go ahead and give you this. I got 12 VHSs and a remote. $12.
Appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
All right, I think we're done now, right? And we need to drive,
No, man, this is like a treasure hunt.
drive around and come back. Appreciate you now.
That was absolutely a bin full of goodies, but this is probably my favorite.
Now that's cool. How much is that? It sure would.
Vintage Nike Florida State jacket. Got the tribal pattern all over it. Last one of these that sold for $127. And it was a size medium. This one's obviously a bigger size. And that one had holes in it and was dirty. So I think I'm going to do pretty good with this one. Definitely an epic yard sale. Certainly my favorite one of the Peaches to the Beaches. Probably my favorite one in a long time. But I do have some regrets. I regret that I didn't ask the guy about the Harley stuff. Maybe he would have bundled everything together. And I regret that I didn't pay attention or closer attention to the Christmas stuff. But either way, epic haul. I'm pretty happy with it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.